These are Benidorm's Rincon de Loix hotels, situated closer to Levante Beach. What is open, what is closed, and what are the prices right now for December month? First of all, we're starting with a hotel that sadly is closing down for winter. Every single winter it's been like this, but I honestly like this hotel. It's typical Spanish, it's nothing fancy, but it has a great location, situated right at the beginning of the Levante Beach. Hotel Nadal, which by the way, we've shown you here on the channel in the Benidorm Hotels playlist, usually is open throughout the whole entire summer season. They've refurbished the entrance a little bit. They made it slightly more modern, and I think they're continuing to do so. They're taking down this blue colors and putting it more like sandy Mediterranean beach style, if you wish. They have a very nice restaurant and all the rooms are overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. Sadly, for winter, it is closed, but when it is open, guests that are staying in this accommodation option have privileged views. Imagine waking up every single morning with the views of the sea and the natural park. Just look at this beauty. This is a very nice place where to wake up with the whole entire skyline of Benidorm right in front of us. And in just 1 second, you'll be on the beach. The next one is Hotel Brisa, which is a 4-star hotel. It's owned by a family, so it's a small family hotel. This place also has views to either directly towards the beach or like corner rooms. And this hotel is actually open a whole year long. Front line of the Levante Beach, so quite fancy with great views. They also have a swimming pool, the terrace, cafeteria, and all the necessary amenities and services that you might all wish for. This hotel has an approximate price between 90 and 130 euros per night for 2 people right now in the month of December. 90 being the most, the cheapest, let's say like this dates for December. And some of the websites have prices even lower than that. 130, obviously, it's towards weekend. And then we have incredible days such as Christmas and New Year when prices double or even triple. But that is in every single hotel, probably all over the world. It's exactly like that. Brisa Beach Cafe is right here on the left side. They have like a cafeteria spot with some nice tables and chairs. And from here, you can watch the Mediterranean Sea. And then you have the right side, which is usually, it's also the terrace, but you can sit down here and there's a swimming pool. Although, honestly, a lot of people that stay here, look at how beautiful it is right there. Lovely Christmas tree and some nice decoration, by the way. It's a small hotel, so it's nothing fancy, but it does look quite nice. Perfect option if you want to stay close to the beach and to all the facilities and services. And obviously, it's not as noisy in this area, especially have higher floor rooms. Quite a good price. Not the cheapest one, though, that we'll see today, but not the most expensive one either. Next hotel, Mont Park. We are heading there. This is a 3-star hotel on the second line of the Levante Beach, which is located slightly on the right side, right at the beginning of Rincon. This is a hotel that's situated slightly higher into the mountains. There is a small incline. It's like going down. There's like a small hill, but it's nothing that you technically could manage, I suppose. It's not as big, the distance, and it's not as steep as other places. Very nice hotel, by the way. This is a breakfast place. They have terraces out there of different rooms, and a lot of the rooms, probably all of them, are overlooking this side of or towards the Mediterranean Sea. Nice 3-star hotel. They have prices from 60 euros, between 60 and 75 euros per room for 2 people. And the average price in some places is around 65, 66. So that's not as bad at all if you're staying right here in the middle of all the action and close to all the facilities, isn't it? Not as expensive and cheaper than the Hotel Brisa. The other one, though, is 4 stars, and it's justified because it's one more star and it's right on the Levante beach. Probably that is where the most of the price difference comes from. And this hotel is not as modern as the other ones. So that's also another difference. Next, here we have the Hotel Port Benidorm. This one, we don't have a price now because, well, you all know probably by now that it is closed because it is undergoing a complete refurbishment, complete renewal, face wash, depends how you want to call it. Technically, it's all in one because not only they're changing and improving the design in the main building, but the biggest part of the job is that they have created a giant colossal skyscraper right next to it, which will be another part of the hotel. Basically, it's duplicating. I think it's a double of rooms that they will have, pretty much, from what they have right now to what they will have. They will keep some furniture. It wasn't old. It was actually very, very nice. So I do feel like they'll recycle quite a lot of it. But in general, the aesthetics of the walls and maybe colors and some decorations should be the same for both buildings. So that is why they're making all these changes. The main reception, I feel like all of this will be changed because, well, they have to connect the two buildings, and look at the amount of work that needs to be done. Oh my world. This is incredible. This is giant, colossal amount of work that's done here. It will be open in 2026. Basically, it's less than a month left. However, I feel like it's going to be towards spring, maybe. The annex building is ready, but they are obviously, you need to decorate it inside. And look at how beautiful it's going to be. Absolutely incredible. The new icon, they say. Well, yes, probably it is true. I wonder what the prices will be like in this place, but so far, as we're told, this is not open for tourists because it's undergoing major refurbishments. It's like building up a brand new hotel instead of the one that they've had already. Absolutely incredible amount of work. And I do feel like it will be worth it. We've been here, we filmed it to you a couple of times. You can check it out meanwhile. And then hopefully we'll be able to show you the brand new part of the hotel and all the changes that they've did. Which, trust me, it will be absolutely worth it. Woo, this is gonna be really, really nice. Let us know if you've stayed here previously and if you've enjoyed your stay at the Port Benidorm Hotel. Let's continue our walk towards other places. Slightly further along by Vincent's Corner Pub, we have the Apart Hotel Levante Club. This is the same group and they have several apartments here in the area. This one is with Levante Club, has 2 keys, if I'm not wrong. Apartments go by keys, which is the amount of amenities that they have and the services. So this place has 2 keys. It is also the main building where the office is located, if I'm not wrong. And here is where the shuttle bus will leave you if you're coming to the nearby accommodation options or to this one in particular. This place has a price for really actually low amount, between 30 and 50 euros per person for 2 people per night. This is extremely cheap, and these are apartments. Obviously, it doesn't compare with hotel rooms, and they need to fill up the places. Usually people in winter do not tend to get apartments, so in order to not to close down, these places do put a lower pricing to attract customers that are coming here to spend winter. They do have pools, they have reception, they have cafeteria, they have all the necessary services here around. And yes, it's just a nice place where you can stay, like an economic option here next to the Levante beach in Rincon de Loix. But it's not the only one that they have. There's also another place. Some years we've actually, and there's the covered swimming pool, by the way. Some years, what they did principally, mainly, mostly, was close one of them and group all people into one apartment option. For example, like this one, which is actually very, very nice. Honestly, it's a nice place if you want to go on self-catering, you want to have an apartment, slightly more space and freedom. This is a good place to go. And right in front, there's another one. Sometimes this one was closed and the other one was open, or the other way around. This one here is the Levante Beach. This is 3 keys. They put 3 up there, but here it's 2, so I'm not really sure which one it is. Maybe it's 2 keys now, but previously it was 3. Who knows? They have slightly less services, I suppose. There's only one swimming pool. It's on the outside. But still, it's very, very nice. And the price there was between 80 and 90 euros per night for 2 adults. So it's actually higher than in the previous one. Serve Group Rialto Hotel. It's a 3-star hotel from Serve Group, obviously. And it is closed in winter, which is why we're not able to give you prices. But it is usually a hotel that doesn't have excessive pricing, even in summer season. Quite a lot of people are staying here, and in summer it is very, very vivid. But when winter comes, this hotel, some hotels that are located slightly further along, it just doesn't make any sense to stay open because it's not profitable for the company, because there's going to be a low amount of visitors, which doesn't cover all the costs. Hence, hotels prefer to close down and, for example, do some refurbishments, maybe do some painting work or whatever they need to do to update the hotel and make it ready for the next season. So usually it's closed like this. Whenever it's closed with paper and like closed for you not to see anything inside, this is the reason why. It's because it's closed for the season. And mostly it's when a lot of works are being done to ensure that in summer season, it's all good to go. Let's continue down back towards the main avenue of Rincon de Loix. And before we head to the Hotel Nereo, which is the one that we see right in front with its blue terraces, this one once again is from the hotels group Serve Group. And this hotel here is actually very nice. We'll see, they've decorated for Christmas already. But before, we have another place, which is Dynastic Rooms. It's apartments, but they're called Dynastic Rooms because they are from the hotel group Dynastic, same that has Dynastic Hotel right here nearby with orange balconies, that one, by the way, and the Gala Placidia Hotel. Here in Destinia, for example, website, the price is starting for around 30 something euros per night. These ones are, by the way. Actually, basic apartments, nothing too fancy, obviously, just for you to have a comfortable stay for a reasonable price here in Benidorm. So that's more or less how it is. That's why the price is so low. And it's also because it's December now. So it's one of the lowest seasons. December, January, and February are the cheapest ones to actually visit. Hotel Serve Group from Nereo, 4-star hotel. You know that already probably by now. We have a full video of this hotel. We've shown it to you here on the channel, and we filmed it right on Christmas, which was a magical time of the year to actually film it. Obviously, this place is a hotel and it's 4 stars, and it has a great location right in front of the indoor market that you've just seen. So price here is more or less similar to the Hotel Bristol. Some places have a starting price for some specific offers, okay, from 45-50 euros a night, but in other places it's from 90 to 110 for a double room for 2 people. So if you get a very nice discount somewhere, you're extremely lucky because you can get it for like 40-50 euros, but if not, the price will be slightly higher. It's a great place. We absolutely loved it. They have some nice decorations here for Christmas. They have a good service. Overall, pleasant place to be. Nicely decorated, Christmas spirit all the way. And this is a place that is in a strategic point and location, so it is open throughout the whole entire winter. The nice terrace on the outside, they have a terrace by the swimming pool, just to sit down, grab some coffee, read a book, and watch Rincon de Loix and people pass by. And at night, all this illuminates with Christmas lights, so it's also quite lovely. Obviously, all the hotels do celebrate Christmas and New Year, and they have special menu, and there's a restaurant buffet here. See, there's like different types of menus available right here. And obviously there's also in general buffet that they offer. You can see here all different types of options. And you have chicken online. Ooh, good for them. So as you can see, these are the prices right now for December for some of the most popular hotels and apartments in Benidorm Rincon de Loix. Thank you for accompanying us today.